Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications in the Oppo Find X3 Neo. So, when you don't see your WhatsApp notifications, always check at the start that you have deactivated the DND mode. So open the top menu, expand it, now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Make sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Now, look for the permissions, and if you don't have a notification allowed, tap on it and switch it on. Enable the lock screen, banner, the badge, ringtone and vibrate. Then go to the data usage and enable the background data. If you still don't have your notifications, go to the storage usage, tap on the clear data and tap on the delete. After that, log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. After that, you can also try to update your system, so go to the About device, tap on the Color OS, and if you have an update, just download that and install. In the last step, try to reset your network settings. So open the additional settings, swipe down to the back on the reset, and tap on the reset phone. Choose the network settings, the Bluetooth is included here, and the Wi-Fi, then mobile network, and choose reset network settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, recommend, and goodbye.